Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn your Shopify store into a mobile app. You can use tools like Tapcart, Vajro, and Shopney. These platforms are designed to quickly convert your store into a fully functional mobile app for both Android and iOS. The process is very simple. First, you install the app from the Shopify App Store. Then you connect your Shopify store. Once connected, your products, collections, and content are automatically synced into the app builder. Next, you customize the design. You can choose themes, change colors, upload your logo, and adjust the layout to match your brand. Most of these platforms offer drag and drop editors, so you do not need any technical skills. After design, you set up features. This includes push notifications, in-app chat, and sometimes live selling depending on the platform. These features help increase engagement and sales. Now let's talk about what you need to provide. You will need your Shopify store login and access. You also need your brand assets like logo, colors, and banners. Make sure your product listings are complete with images and descriptions because they will appear in the app. You will also need app details like app name, icon, splash screen, and a short description for the app stores. Finally, once everything is ready, you submit your app for publishing on Google Play and Apple App Store. Some platforms guide you through this step. Thanks for watching.